A state lawmaker wants to give a unique welcome gift to people who just moved to New Mexico, a credit on their taxes. News 13's Rachel Knapp is live at the Roundhouse.
Jessica, Republican Senator James White wants to put money back into people's pockets, and he thinks his bill could do the trick.
If you filed an income tax return, you're eligible to get a rebate up. The rebate should be automatic, is the way the bill is designed. So if your tax return shows up there and your income is in the right category, they will get a return.
In Senate Bill 82, Senator White is pushing for anyone who moved to New Mexico between January 2019 and December 2019 who is filing as a single and making less than $50,000 to get an extra $50. Married taxpayers filing jointly could pocket $100 if they are also making less than $50,000. And if taxpayers have dependents, they could get $50 back per dependent. Senator White says now that the state has some extra cash, he wants the taxpayers to have some of it.
So there's money around, we've got money. There's a lot of good programs out there we'd like to fund, and we're doing that quite a bit. But I would like to give some back to the taxpayer. And it's not like the money's going to go to waste. I'm sure they're going to spend it right away. So the idea is get it back in the economy as fast as we can.
The bill would appropriate $750,000 for those refunds, but tonight at a committee meeting, that bill was tabled. Jessica.
All right, thank you, Rachel. There was some pushback on this bill. The state's Tax and Revenue Department says if the eligible taxpayers have already filed their taxes before this bill gets passed, then those taxpayers would have to file amended returns to take advantage of the rebate.